A little cold out today, huh, Bug? It's 56 this morning. It's probably up to about 62. What do you think? It's good?
59.
It's 69 right now?
No, 60. 60.
Right now?
Yeah.
69 degrees right
60.
now. 69. 60?
60.
So why'd you say 69?
I didn't say 69. I said 60.
60 degrees, Bug.
Does he need his
Really?
jacket?
That's all you got?
Does he need his jacket?
The Bug? Are you kidding me? You just gonna lay there, Bug, and do nothing? Yep, he's gonna do nothing.